Hi! I was making some purple dead nettle tea for my son who has a cough and a scratchy throat, and I thought this would be a good chance to make a video because I recently talked about the dead nettles on my Grow Network article, and I thought, hey, maybe you would want to know how to make a purple dead nettle tea that doesn't taste like dirt water. So I'm going to give you some tips. First thing, we're going to bring a kettle of water to a boil. And I've got my purple dead nettle. This is dried. I haven't ground this into a powder, and you don't really have to because it's the same stuff whether it's whole or ground up. The advantage of having it ground up is that you can get your portions very precise, but then the advantage of having it whole or maybe ground up less finely is it's easier to get back out of the tea after it's made. And so we're going to let that boil. I've got my 8-year-old cameraman working for me here. So, yep, there he is. Okay. So I'm going to take some of the purple dead nettle, maybe this much, maybe a little more, and we'll pour the boiling water on top of that. Okay. I'm only filling this up halfway, doesn't really matter. And then, cover it. I mean, this is not exactly secret technique stuff, this is just making tea. And we'll let that cool down until we want to drink it. This should be ready. I'm going to let any drippings go back in there that I can. That's good for any tea that you make. It lets any of the essential oils that have evaporated to go back in there. And I'm going to stir things up. Now you could leave the leaves in there. When I make one for myself, that's what I usually do. And you can even just eat the leaves because they're good and medicinal. But I'm going to fish them out here because this will be for my kid. We do have a rule in my house that nobody is allowed to freak out if they find a leaf in their tea.
There's a leaf.
Now whoa, didn't get the lid open. We're going to add some honey to sweeten that up. And some milk. Because before you add these in, it tastes like dirt water. Healthy, healthy dirt water. And now a secret ingredient. It's wonderful like that, but vanilla makes it great. There's purple dead nettle tea. And you can add extra honey or extra milk and get the proportions the way you like it. But it's a very soothing, comforting tea, and it's really good for allergies.